Welcome back. I got it running. Got everything placed all the lines. You know, I figured I had it out. Might as well just replace them with new lines. So other than that, it's running. No leaks. I've had it running for about 5 minutes just to make sure that it's all working. Like I said, I don't see anything leaking, and I'm kind of really stoked I can pull this out. Wow. Oh, it stinks. All right, I'm gonna have to put a straight pipe on it or something, because right now the pipe I had on it rusted off. I took it off in Illinois. Anyways, like I said, just want to let you know, got it running. All the fuel lines are brand new. Went to Lowe's. I'll tell you what, these little bulbs, like these hose splicers, are fantastic. Made it super quick. Heat gun was really nice, just being able to warm up the rubber, and it slid right on. So I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna add some fuel to it because the fuel gauge is busted. I don't feel like spending the money. I don't want to drop the fuel tank again. I did that once before and it's a pain. So I'm gonna put some fuel in it. I'll fill it up next time I'm in town, and I can start taking stuff to the dump. You guys all have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you later.